Gems, so I'm gonna jump right into this video. As you can see, I filmed this months ago while I was still pregnant, but these are all of the oils and butters I use for my pregnancy and postpartum body butter. I used avocado oil, castor oil, vitamin E oil, coconut oil, shea butter, mango butter, and cocoa butter. So I already have my mango butter and shea butter in my bowl. I used about a cup of mango butter and a cup of shea butter. And then I'm adding 1/3 cup of avocado oil, 1/3 cup of castor oil, and 1/3 cup of vitamin E oil. I did melt down my cocoa butter before adding it to the mix because cocoa butter is way more solid, so it's easier to whip through in its liquid form. And I use about 2 ounces of cocoa butter. You can use more, but that's all I had at the moment, so that's all I used. As for my coconut oil, I just kind of scooped some in there with a teaspoon. So I think I did about 3 or 4 heaping teaspoons of coconut oil. I didn't want to use too much of the liquid oils because I wanted a very rich and thick, creamy consistency, and the more oils you use, the less thick your butter will be. So this is all of my ingredients in the bowl, and I'm pretty much ready to mix. So I would recommend melting down the mango butter as well because it is more solid and hard than the shea butter. It has a more consistency as the cocoa butter, so it would have been easier for me to whip through if I melted down. However, I didn't, so it just took me longer. As you can see, I'm having a hard time really getting through that mango butter. It was way harder than I expected. This was my first time working with mango butter. So after about 5 minutes of mixing, this is the consistency I got. You just basically keep mixing until you get that nice, creamy, fluffy consistency. And my reason for using these specific butters and oils is because most of them is great for the skin elasticity, which is what you want to focus on when trying to prevent or even lighten stretch marks. There's no miracle product out there for stretch marks. It all depends on your skin elasticity. So it's important to keep your skin moisturized and make sure you're putting oils and butters on your skin that will help improve or maintain your skin elasticity. And that's what most of these oils and butters are good for. So this is my results. As you can see, it's nice and creamy and light. And I started using this butter late in my pregnancy, probably about the last 2 months of my pregnancy. However, I wish I used it earlier because the cream I was using before did not work, and I got stretch marks on my lower abdomen. However, using this butter helped to prevent me from getting any more stretch marks, and it also helped to lighten the stretch marks that I did get. So here I'm just dropping the butter into a Ziploc bag using my wooden spatula, and you want to just drop that into one corner, fill it up, and then I'm going to cut a hole in that corner and use the Ziploc bag as a piping bag in order to transport the butter into my mason jar. And I just want to note that, when you're going the natural route and using natural products on your skin, you do have to have patience. Patience is key. Nothing is going to work overnight when using natural products. So if you do decide to try this butter out or, start doing your own natural skincare products, you have to have patience. Sometimes they work fast, sometimes they don't. But I've seen great results using this butter over the time I've been using it so far. I am now like 9 weeks postpartum, and it helped even out my skin tone and I'm finally getting my color back on my stomach. You know, after having a baby, sometimes you have that dark spot on your stomach. So this butter I've been using consistently along with aloe vera gel and olive oil, and it's really working miracles. So I got about 3 12-ounce jars full from this mix, and I'm right now on my second jar. My second jar is almost finished, so this is going to last you a while. And I just want to say thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys next time.